a perfect example of why a leader bike is useless on a day-to-day use. Jesus Christ, I feel like I'm fucking retarded. I can't even talk. And so, you know, if you're okay with spending 15-20 grand on a motorcycle that you can't use, then don't do it. Then don't do it, because you're going to spend a lot of money and it's going to sit there and you're not going to be able to enjoy it because it's too fast. It's too fast. Too much traffic, too much bullshit, too many people. Like, there's a lot of probability. Perfect examples of why, when you do use it, how fucking easy you can die. There was already two crash situations that I almost put myself in for that, and I'm a dumbass. I already know that. I already know I'm a dumbass. I already know I'm a dumbass for that. I can't even, like, I'm not even gonna fucking defend myself because that's the most retarded shit I've ever done. I don't usually ride in the fucking daytime though, to be honest with you, so you can't even blame me. You can't even blame me. You can't even blame me. And nobody in traffic's gonna go. Yeah, I'm probably getting hella looks. See a stretched bike on the fucking main road. They're like, what the fuck are this guy doing? It's the most useless shit. This embarrasses guy. This embarrasses. Oh no, it's an older guy. I can't do that to him. I embarrass him. Today. Let's not kill ourselves. Let's try not to, at least. It's already yellow, holy shit. If you guys like the video, like, subscribe, and comment.